What is buffer overflow? Basically, buffer is a small memory, and everywhere, in every device, in every electronic device, normally there is a temporary memory. It helping the main memory, storing temporary the thing. We call them buffer. And it's using, so it's a small memory. But if it is exceeded the storage, so then we call them buffer overflow. Like a glass, you can put the water, but it's limited water that can be either in cup. So if it is a small cup, it can store a small water, but if you put them more water, so the water will go out from that place, from the glass, either from cup or whatever. Same as buffer overflow. This buffer overflow keeping small information quickly and erasing, but if you do a take such thing, so it will leak the information, and even it's risk to confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And also you can take control of the PC, and you can attack and you can down whatever you can do for many purpose. You can use buffer overflow. Suppose this the buffer which can only keep up to 7 digits, and you overflow more bit, to definitely it will stop working. Let me show you from here. If I go there, and this should be in A1, no, this one. Here is buffer overflow. Let me go to A1, buffer overflow, and repeat. Why is not going there? Yeah. So here I'm here again with the test application, and if I type something, suppose I said 10-20 line of test. So if I repeat, so buffer is okay. Buffer keeping those details. Test is giving me here. Suppose I say A B C or AC 100 time, so it's storing 100 time. It's okay, and it's showing me all the thing here, the banner and everything, and it's working. Let me overflow how many packet they can keep. So I type test, and let me type 20,000 or something, which is more than the buffer which they can show me here. Now it's showing, yeah. After that, now let's see. Repeat string. Look at, nothing is showing. Down, everything stop, and this one, look at. Service is down, now it's not any work anymore. Because I overflow the thing which they can repeat and show us, there is a limitation. Like in human, normally we say you cross the limit, and then we become angry. Every person has their own limitation, then they become angry. Maybe you can take much time, like me, if maybe I'm become not angry very, but maybe there is a time then when I will become angry. So there is a limit, and this limitation is called buffer. And when you cross the limit, so definitely that will make something wrong, and it's a code of out of memory. This I'm out of memory, I cannot do anything, and it stop working. So this is called buffer overflow. I will show you in Kali Linux some other time in more sophisticated way, but at least you get idea what is buffer overflow.